This is a machine part where I have created this slot. Now I wanted to do something which is only applicable for this particular surface. But if you see here, whenever I am taking my cursor here, both these surfaces are getting selected. Despite we can clearly see there is a gap between both. So in this video, we will talk about how we can separate both these surfaces. And I'm gonna say it is quite easy. All we need to do is we need to go to here in model tab, and in model tab in editing group, and then here you will see this option which says separate surface region. So this basically designs region of a surface from each other such that we can work independently. And I would say for simple operations, even both the surfaces are getting selected, there shouldn't be any problem. But let's say you do not want to take reference of another part, then we can do that. So now I have clicked on this separate surface region option, and now I'm going to select the region that I would like to separate. And now I need to select the contour. So I would say this is the contour. With the help of whom I would like to separate them. So let me select that, and there we go. Now let me click here OK. And now if I click here, you can see both these surfaces are now separated and individually getting selected. So in this way guys, we can separate region inside PTC Creo Parametric. And if you want to follow our complete PTC Creo Parametric playlist, this is 77th video on it. Do check out the playlist link that I have added in the description of this video. That's all guys from my side in this one. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Engine Pritam. And I will catch you soon with one another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.